since raising the championship trophy and celebrating the title.
I love this team. This dude's unbelievable. Hey!
Warriors center Festus Ezeli has had a busy summer, bringing his talents to Bay Area ballparks to throw out ceremonial first pitches and pitching in the community at his Festus Ezeli basketball camp, hosting kids ages 8 through 12 at the Bayview Hunters Point YMCA over several days for some on-court instruction.
This is my way of celebrating with the fans and giving back to the community, playing with the kids, and having them just come out here and learn, if anything. Learn, have fun. That's the biggest key, and I'm enjoying it. If anything, I'm enjoying it as well.
While working on the fundamentals of the game and sharing life lessons with these kids, for Festus, having a strong presence in the paint and in the community with Bay Area youth all goes hand in hand.
From the first day, I told them that hard work pays off. On the shirt, it says "Work hard, play smart." So just putting that in the back of their minds that if you work hard, look at me. I started playing way later than any of you guys. You guys are 6 to 12. I started playing when I was 16. And if I started that late and I did what I'm doing now, I'm an NBA champion now, you guys can do anything you want. And it's not just limited to basketball. Just telling the kids that, you can accomplish a lot.
For Warriors TV, I'm Lawrence Scott.